and I built this boat. I built it for 6 months. I'm building this boat. I was sailing from Boracay up here top of Panay, sailing over here to Palawan when my boat got caught and brought me down about there. Now I'm here in Iloilo getting these parts made, and then I will go back, continue to Palawan, and this is where the journey really starts. On Facebook, you can see some clips and you can see some distress calls. I had no internet. I didn't know when I would get internet, but I'm like out there on the ocean, and I said, somebody call Coast Guard. I need rescue. 2.5 days out lost on that ocean before I wake up next to that island, you know? So they're trying to get this boat all, oh, not good, not good, not good. Bad sound. And then the chief of the police, he comes out to my boat. I got some clips of that, and talks to me and everything, and they rescue my boat. And this is where I'm buying a lot of the bolts and sheet metal things, stainless steel parts for this mechanism you'll see. I hate the loud thumping music. One of the negatives about the And if you want, we can bring him over and stage a little thing of me talking to him about it, you know? Mm-hmm. Like that. Be good? Yep. Okay, and instructing him like on it. You've created. Alright. One.
Santa Claus.
Maligayang Pasko, maligayang Pasko, maligayang Bagantaan. Oh, you're not Mary Martin no more. You're here. Oh, Balam. That was pure, yes? Unexpected, random, out of nowhere. Oh!
Piyaya.
To take out to my boat now, and it's been good. I got done in Iloilo what I had to, and the ship is loading. So, hopefully you pick up on my story later. Nice meeting you all. Paalam.